scrolling on the screen. Okay, so this is a tutorial, that you find useful. Hello guys, how are you doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial on how to add what you are reading, okay, in your video. Like you'll be in your video, then you're going to be reading, then people will be seeing what you are reading on the screen. So this is what this tutorial is all about. So someone, demanded for this tutorial, and I felt, I should make content about this tutorial, and I know you're going to learn something. Okay, so this is a video you want to stick around and watch till the end, because you're going to actually learn something, especially for those that don't. For you to actually add what you are reading, okay, to your video while in the video, is that you need to have another phone. Okay, you have two phones. You have one, okay, that you're going to use to film the video, and you're going to use the second one, okay, in your hand like this. And the second one you're going to use in your hand, you're going to make sure that you have, a screen recorder, okay, app in your phone, okay. That is the one you are using to read out whatever it is you want it to show on the screen. So I'm going to be going to Google, okay, here. And before you go to Google, make sure that you turn on your screen recorder first. You need to turn on your screen recorder first. Okay, so I'm using the X Recorder. Okay, I'm using the X Recorder screen recording app. There are a lot of screen recording app, okay, on your Google Play Store. That is if you are using an Android phone, and if you are using an iPhone, you can download this in your app store. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you this tutorial quickly, and we're going to be reading something. We're going to go to Google, and we're going to type how to make jollof rice, or how to cook jollof rice. Then I'm going to be reading out the process of how to cook jollof rice, just to show you an example of how you can be reading at the same time what you're reading is showing on your screen. As you're scrolling, okay, the effect is seen on your screen. That is the aim of this video, okay. So before that, make sure that you turn on your screen recording app. Is very important. You need to turn on your screen recording app. Okay, so once you turn on your screen recording app, right, it will start reading. Once you turn it up, it will start reading. Then you are going to go to back. Okay, then you are going to go to Google, right? So the internet is turned on here. We are going to go to Google, and we are going to type in how to cook okay, Nigerian jollof rice. Okay, how to cook Nigerian jollof rice. And we are going to look at articles that has to do with how to cook Nigerian jollof rice, okay, just to show you a tutorial, right? So we're going to look for how to cook Nigerian jollof rice. Let's go for any one here. Okay, let's go for anyone here. Just be patient with me. So this is just the process exactly. Okay, so how to cook Nigerian jollof rice. Let me tap on this. Okay, so how to cook Nigerian jollof rice. Remember that my screen recorder is turned on. I have a phone. You can have a phone or your camera filming you. You can also have a phone in your hand. So the phone in your hand, okay, is a must, and also you need to have a camera filming you, or a phone, okay, filming you. Now, how to make Nigerian jollof rice. Nigerian jollof rice, a seasoned tomato rice dish, okay, is eaten at every party, Sunday lunch and everything in between. So this is telling us how, about Nigerian jollof rice. The person is just describing about, Nigerian jollof rice. This is how to read everything, just scrolling, reading everything, that is just how to do that. So remember that the screen recorder is on here. Okay, the screen recorder is on here. The next step, okay, is once you've finished, screen recording, reading whatever it is you want to read while in the video, okay? Because as I'm recording this here, this is speaking my voice and it's also picking whatever it is that is on the screen, and the camera itself is speaking my voice at the same time, okay? So meaning that the voice in this recorder and the voice in the camera will tally, okay? So that is the first step. My voice will tally, okay? And the next thing we are going to do is, when we are editing our videos, okay, we have to transfer this screen recording content to our gallery so that we can pull it, okay? We can pull it to our editing, right? Maybe I'm going to make a video about that separately, of how to pull your screen recording from another video, okay, another phone, to transfer it to the video, to the content you want to edit. But that is just the maths there. So after screen recording this thing, okay, transfer this particular, video, because this will come as a video. This thing I recorded here will come as a video, right? All you need to do is, when you're editing your video, you have to first of all transfer this particular content to the phone you want to use to edit your video. Okay, then when editing your video, all you need to do is just to pull it to the phone. And remember, we have another video in the phone that is filming us, which is the phone, okay, of me holding this and talking to the camera. That is the first video. Then the second video you're going to overlay is the screenshots of this particular video, okay, the screenshots of this particular video. I don't know whether I'm making sense here, but it's that simple. So after videoing yourself, after screenshotting your screen, all you need to do, okay, is just to, pull this video or the screen recorded video, okay, and overlay it by the corner of your video, of the main video. Okay, pulling this video, transferring it to the phone you're editing with, then overlaying it at any corner of the video, so that as you're talking like this, as I'm scrolling, okay, everything will be showing, the movement and everything will be showing in the video that I'm in, okay? So I don't know whether this makes sense, but I think that is the easiest way I can describe this, okay? That is about the easiest way I can describe it, okay? Let me do a recap, okay? Get 2 cameras or 2 phones, especially phone. Get 2 phones, because I'm using a phone to screen record, okay? Now make sure that you have the screen recording app on your phone already. Then you have to turn on your screen recording. After that, you look for the content you want to read, or whatever it is you want to do, because once the screen recording app starts, it will capture everything on your screen. It will capture everything on your screen. So after capturing everything on your screen, all you need to do, the next step, is to transfer this particular screen recording video to the main video, okay? So when you are editing the main video, you can import this particular video, then overlay it at any side of the video you want it to be, like at any part of the main video you want it to be, okay? And you're going to be seeing this practically in this particular video I'm posting. I'm going to do it so that you see what I meant, okay? So that is just the simple, way to actually overlay your video. Like as you're talking, you're scrolling, as you're scrolling, it will be scrolling on the screen alongside. So that is just the simple explanation of this. I think it's so explicit, like I don't need to talk too much about this, okay? I think it's explicit. Just follow this routine, and once you are done, import it into the main video, okay? Overlay it at one side of the video, and that is how you can do. Maybe I'm going to make another video of how to, import the video and make an overlay of the video, okay, on the video while I'm talking. I think that will be my next video, so you know what I'm saying, right? So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As I'm scrolling, as you guys can see, as I'm scrolling, everything is just scrolling on the screen. Hope you guys are seeing everything is scrolling on the screen. So that is how to do that. There is no hard thing here. Okay, as you guys can see, as I'm scrolling, it's scrolling on the screen. As I'm scrolling, it's scrolling on the screen. Okay, so this is a tutorial, that you find useful. So thank you so much. Like I said, my next video will be how to import this video and overlay it in my video. I did it here, but I'm going to show you a practical way of doing it. But this particular video is just to show you, the first step of, what you can do to generate these two videos. And the next step is to show you how it is in this video, right? Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next one.